Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. This item's been going viral for weeks, and for a good reason. The performance matches the hype, and the quality feels top tier. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described. And honestly, it's better than I expected. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone.
Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online.
Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth